We are Prism Lighting Group. Our goal is to provide high-quality, innovative LED lighting solutions that are intelligently designed and easy to install. Introducing the LovoSlim LED Recessed Light, the first 12-in-1 LED recessed light that allows you to select 3 popular color temperatures, is fully dimmable, and offers 4 trimmed finishes, all from the same fixture. Controlling LED lighting has never been easier with the LovoSlim 12-in-1 LED recessed lighting system. LovoSlim's ultra-thin fixture is only 1 inch in height and 4 inches in diameter, which is perfect for tight spaces and shallow ceilings with little room for fixture insulation. With LovoSlim's color temperature changing control switch, you could choose from 3 popular color temperatures: warm white, natural white, and pure white. The LovoSlim recessed lights come standard with white finish and accepts 4 additional finish colors: black, brushed nickel, silver, and paintable white magnetic trims. With the innovative interchangeable magnetic trim covers, you can change the color of the fixture instantly. With LovoSlim recessed lights, you can daisy chain up to 6 fixtures in a row, and if more lights are needed, simply add multi-point connectors to link all the lights connecting to a single power supply. LovoSlim lights are fully dimmable from 0 to 100% and compatible with most low-voltage PWM dimmers and controllers. You can choose your light intensity by using a wall switch, a wireless remote, an app, or Lovo Smart Voice Control. LovoSlim recessed lights focus on fast connection, safe working voltage, streamlined wire management, and energy-efficient LED lighting. These light fixtures are ideal for trade show exhibits, museums, and retail environments where fast, safe, and simple installation is paramount. The LovoSlim recessed fixture of the Lovo LED series offer hundreds of lighting configurations to work with any design project. Another industry-first innovation LED lighting product from Prism Lighting Group.